I can feel the excitement already. Rightfully so, because we are going to learn how we can get commissions in Atomy. Are you ready? Yes. Good. Just last week, someone has asked me, Eileen, are we really going to get time freedom and financial freedom if we join the Atomy business? What do you think my answer was? A big fat yes. That's why I want you all to listen, and I'm going to ask for your undivided attention. If you have anyone sitting next to you who are sleeping, please do everything you can to wake them up. Yeah? I mean, slightly, gently wake them up. All right? Okay. Atomy is making network marketing history. It started in 2009 in Korea, and since 2010, it has already spread and opened its first branch in the US, and now we are available in 27 overseas branches and 31 EU countries. How amazing is that? Now, maybe some of you are asking, especially the first-timers, Eileen, I am sold. I want to join the business. But how do we start? Simple. First, we are going to register you as a consumer. Then, be a consumer. Start using the products because we have absolute quality and absolute price products. Now, because you're going to fall in love with these products, you have to change your shopping mall. Start shopping in Atomy Shopping Mall. And start spreading the news. Start introducing the products to your friends, to your families, and to their friends and families as well. By doing so, you are going to get commission, general commission. And it's not only little money. You're going to earn good money. And then you will become business partner of Atomy. So start plugging into the system. Attend seminars, attend success academies like this, attend meetings, learn more about the business. And speaking of learning, let us learn what are the features and strengths of Atomy business. Okay, first, we have binary system. That's what we're using. Not 7 legs, not 9 legs, only 2 legs, your left and your right leg. Okay, so it's easy to manage. Next, we don't have membership fee. There's no subscription fee, no maintenance fee. So it is very easy to do the business. You can do it instantly. Next, we have unlimited accumulation. All those group PVs is not going to expire unless you get the commission. And I'm going to explain to you more what the group PVs are a bit later. Next, we have unlimited levels. You can have up to 1,000, millions, trillions of levels. Everything is good. You can do the business however deep you want it to be, and guaranteed you're going to get all these PVs 100%. And then we have this Global One marketing, which means we in Atomy are big timers, okay? We're big time. We can do the business in any part of the world where there is Atomy. And last, we have this fair ceiling cap system, which I'm going to explain again to you later on. Right, first, let's talk about our PV. What is PV? It is called point value. All the products in Atomy actually comes with PV. Like this Absolute Skincare set, it has got 119,000 PV. And so once all these PVs accumulate, it will turn into commission. Of course, that is if you meet the conditions. Right. And we have 2 types of PV. We have group PV and personal PV. So personal PV is all the purchases that you have made in your ID, in your account. And this doesn't expire. It will only accumulate until you reach and achieve the membership level, which is from sales representative up to exclusive distributor. Now, the Group PB are all the purchases of your left group and your right group. So you are going to have left group PV or left leg PV and right leg PV. But we have to remember, you cannot get commission if you are only a consumer. We need to do these two things. We need to be a verified distributor first, and we need to have at least 10,000 PV. Being a consumer alone, you cannot get commission, but you can stay still beautiful, okay? Right now, let's talk about the 4 types of commission. We have, first, general commission. General commission is what we can get commission every day. Second is our mastership bonus. These are the bonuses which Atomy gives you for achieving certain masterships. Next, we have mastership promotion. These are promotional gifts that are going to be given to you when you reach mastership for the first time. And we have the center commission, which are being given to the center leaders who open up their own center for educational and training purposes. Okay, now, where is the group PB and personal PB comes? It comes in at this time. To get your general commission, you need to have at least 10,000 PV. Say you bought 2 boxes of toothbrushes, that already qualifies you to start getting commission. So you will be called a sales rep at this time. Now, if your left group and your right group achieve 300K each time, then you will get paid 13 pounds on that day. And you will become an agent if you reach 300K. And then if your left group and your right group also achieve 300K each time, you will get 38 pounds. Until you reach the maximum of 2.4 million in your personal PV. Now you'll be called an exclusive distributor. And you will get the chance to accumulate or receive 230 pounds to 760 pounds per day. Is that good or is it bad? It's good. It's like we're already earning some of the doctor's salary by this time. Okay, and this 760 pounds per day, this is where the fair ceiling cap comes in. Now, Atomy caps the maximum amount of commission anyone can earn in a day, which is 760 pounds. It's only because Atomy would like to distribute all the commissions fairly to its members, because our chairman, his wishes is to make many, many millionaires instead of 1 billionaire. How touching is that, right? Okay. Now, let's talk about the bonuses. The bonuses are we can get whenever we got mastership. And our mastership, we have seven types of mastership. And we can get all these masterships twice in a month. So we have first cycle, which is the 1st to the 15th of the month. Second cycle is from the 16th up to the end of the month. And you will be paid 7 days after the cycle. I thought you might want to know that. Right. So let's start with semi-sales promotion. If you achieve 1.5 million in your left and then on your right, you will be called semi-sales master. And you could have achieved 5 times commission of 38 pounds, and it will give you 190 pounds. Then you will get the bonus of 128 pounds. For a total, you're going to get 318 plus and minus because of the exchange rate. And then if you do this twice in a month, those 2 cycles, you're going to get 636 pounds. Now, for sales master, you need to achieve 2.5 million on your left and on your right. And you are going to get 8 times commission, can be more. And that's a total of 300 pounds, plus minus. Mastership promotion, you're going to get 300 pounds. That's a total of plus minus 600 pounds. Again, do it in 2 cycles. You're going to get 1,200 every month. For me, that's a total of 6 bank shifts, overtime work as a nurse. Now, for sales master, still you're going to get the promotional gifts. So you're going to have this one absolute skincare set and the evening care set worth of 200 pounds. Okay, and for Diamond Master, because this is also a teamwork business, now we don't count the points. We are now going to help our downlines be same masters as well. Now, for Diamond Master, we need 2 sales master on both legs, and you will get 600 pounds cash, plus again the 200 worth of beauty sets. For Sharon Rose, you need 2 Diamond Master on your left and on your right, and you will be given 1,500 cash, plus you can travel with your loved one with these 2 travel tickets worth 600 pounds each. To become a star, you need 2 Sharon Rose Master on your left and on your right, and you will be given 7,000 cash. Plus, now, travel ticket for your family worth 600 pounds each. Now, to become a star, you need again, to become royal, you need again 2 Star Masters on your left and on your right, and you will now get a whopping 33,000 cash. 4 travel tickets now worth 3,000 each, and you will get 2,000 cash every month for your sponsorship activities. For Crown Master, you're going to receive £250,000 money and car incentives, plus again the 4 travel tickets, and now 3,500 cash for your monthly sponsorship activities. And the pinnacle of all mastership, we have Imperial Master. You're going to have 750,000 cash and car incentives, 4 travel tickets, and 10,000 every month. How good is that? For the cash promotions alone, Atomy is giving us over £1 million. That's too handsome, isn't it? Now, I don't know, other people get this in 10 years, just like our Imperial Master, Park Jung-soo, at the moment. She said she has gotten this in 10 years. May I ask, how many years have you been working in your company? 26. 10 years, 5 years? 24. Have we ever received this amount of money? It's really a sad reality. We haven't received this kind of money. And another sad thing is, even if we work extra more, 5, 10 years, 20 years, we are not going to receive even quarter of this amount. So it's a sad thing. But 1 million, as if that is not enough, Atomy has added this 3-generation code. And honestly, because of this code, this makes the Atomy compensation plan special. You know, the option of giving your account to your family, to your children, thus ensuring and making sure that our future is secured. And we're not only securing our own future, we're securing the future of our children and our grandchildren as well. And let us not forget our quote, our famous quote. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Who wants to make money while you sleep? Everyone. Who wants to work until they die? No one, definitely not me as well. That's why if you do not want to work until you die, and you want to make money while you sleep, what should we do? Let us all do Atomy. Let us board and sail in this ship called Atomy, where our destination is to the islands of financial and time freedom. So let me be the first one to greet you. Welcome aboard, everyone. I am your captain, Diamond Master Eileen, wishing you a great and wonderful journey in Atomy. Thank you.